The joy of traveling new places, new faces, and if you're lucky, only a carry-on bag to your name. Yes, it's possible. Whether you're heading to a tropical paradise or braving the concrete jungles of a city, you can fit everything you need into one compact piece of luggage. How, you ask? Read on, dear traveller, for the secrets to mastering the art of carry-on packing. The Holy Grail. The perfect carry-on bag. First things first. You need a bag that doesn't just look good, but also maximizes space and minimizes headaches. Your ideal bag should fit in the overhead bin and have secret compartments like Batman's utility belt. Bonus points if it has wheels that glide smoother than a figure skater on ice. Rule #1, channel your inner minimalist. Packing light is all about priorities. Do you really need 6 pairs of shoes for a 3-day trip? No, you don't. Stick to the essentials. Clothes. Think versatile. A black dress can go from day to night. A pair of jeans can be dressed up or down. And let's not forget the magic of layers. Toiletries travel-sized everything. Roll, don't fold. Rolling your clothes saves space and prevents wrinkles. It's a win-win. Plus, it gives you that satisfying feeling of rolling out a fresh sheet of cookie dough. Who doesn't love that? The sneaky stuffing strategy involves using every inch of your bag. Stuff socks into shoes, fill in gaps with underwear, and tuck small items into every available crevice. If your carry-on looks like a game of Tetris, you're doing it right. Wear your heaviest items, because let's face it, airplanes are cold, that's a fact. So, wear your bulkiest items like jackets and boots on the plane. Not only will you save space in your carry-on, but you'll also stay cozy while everyone else is shivering. The digital lifesaver. E-readers and tablets can change how you travel. Books are heavy and take up valuable space. Instead, load your tablet or e-reader with all the entertainment you need. Just don't forget the charger, because a dead device is as useful as a chocolate teapot. Laundry hacks. When repeating outfits is a must. Most places have laundry services, so don't pack your entire wardrobe. A little detergent and a hotel sink can work wonders. And hey, if cartoon characters can wear the same outfit every day, so can you. Personal item perfection. Airlines usually allow a carry-on and a personal item. Make that personal item count. A spacious backpack or a chic tote can hold a lot more than you think. Pack it with your in-flight essentials like snacks, gadgets, and that neck pillow you keep promising yourself you'll use. The one-bag wonders, accessories that make a difference. Compression bags, packing cubes, and travel organizers can be game changers. They help you fit more into less space and keep everything neatly organized. Plus, they give you that satisfying feeling of being a packing pro. In conclusion, there you have it. The secret to traveling with only a carry-on. It's all about smart packing, prioritizing essentials, and embracing your inner minimalist. With these tips, you'll breeze through airports, avoid baggage fees, and maybe even have room for a souvenir or two. Happy travels, and may your luggage be light and your adventures plentiful.